about unrest country, people then decide say this so they don't meet up their store. This morning time for that side for Marché Congo, people don't tell us, that means tell them. Tired them from Marché Congo then decide for vex today. Strike committee of register goes to the one go bo nanjo country people na palava weti. Palava their store the way they want meet up this morning time for market for 6 o'clock where they don't put sele for the for ska palava impo and quittance for that side country. People will talk about pa for 76 years old where they say don't chop so yeah means they don't rape small girl for 10 years for that side they for New Bell they. We go talk around Call Me Tac country people they will talk to about this chapter for people who they enter with gun with one kill Madame Veuve Tamko Amadou for Bona Berry back place where they call on for DC back send pest country people we picking Adamu a house. We talk to about this other chapter too for remain for Bona Berry. Talk again about that chapter for that picking them where they die to take carnage now troubles also day for Bona Berry and that school Moncam bilingual primary and Nigerian primary school country people them we go for play with the call and say this so Ebolova tell now for this chapter how we if you no pay 2,000 francs as photographer you no go snap picture inside Catholic church for the country people them then what will really happen for Bamenda inside the interview woman go explain all things. I want a big salute this one na Pigeon TV News Equinox Television with me Eze Ekuleku to read it. I return a big salute, una welcome, una come good again, country people. Then, make we start this story for today with the same story, and the same story for today. Nothing make eye cries with the blood come out. Same story for today. Nothing no day where if make eye cries with the blood it come out. Ego Victor, thank you plenty from Bopi Day. Supporting come from you, Olu Njoya, for that side from Bopi and 10 kilometers think too. We're not to for Wuna talk security country with them. I say they talk about them, wonderful matter, wonderful situation. Marché Congo this morning time. Wait it can't take place today. I said Bernard they did cry. Oh man, the one come from morning time, all tailor them. Tailor them, I mean say tell them put it so close for Marché Congo. They don't come this morning time, they don't put sale for all their store, they will sharp morning time country people them. Wait it can happen. Oh boy, una see him. Marché Congo as you talk about and so. I say all Comex Sam, not the Comex Sam, na tailor they won't come. When they don't put up a local, sale le 23. Sale le 23 when I register. Look at put on for day. Say na palava say, then say they pay impôt liberatoire is about paying a patent. Answer the matter and so contribute. They put slave for them. People they woke up now, they want to monitor. I say, look at all things they don't look and I said, Bernard, them and all the other one, they lost sense. Lost hate. I say, I hate just the part. It stops to be selected, no, the select better at all. How we must move with a part, like we talk down with the crasher. Why the crasher? I contribute them. Voir register, CUD. Now, so they talk about them. Say they must go for register for market. Wonderful. Now this morning time, 6 o'clock, people they come up for share. Yesterday go back to no meet up. Now this morning time, they can't say and so wonderful thing. They pack all their bench skin and for they say, ha! Yes, sir. No, really. That's what the people talk for that saying. Look at all them. Woman tailor, man picking tailor, all them for that say, you don't bat. They say that they pay impôt liberatoire. Register for market talk say this so they must to pay nothing with the call for they say this so now patent for the country people then so they vex this morning tension take on now tension they for Marché Congo de sous country people Marché Congo for that side for ancien troisième day na so the situation it can take place now. We remain for the with HTC. When I go capture the image, now go for New Bell. What happened for New Bell with the HTC country people in the chapter for 2 call and say, Papa for 76 years. I say they say you don't force you strong. Stay sleep small picking for 10 years country people then. They call and say viol, that means say rape for the job so yeah by force naidis. Look am, na that. He did for this one for brigade the New Bell in Kololu. Brigade the New Bell in Kololu. They have for this country for them. They say the man they so a doctor so ya the worker pass mark. Oh boy, oh na 35 years. Hamami sa Adamu violeur. Hamamisa Adamu 35 years country people. Say this, you don't chop soya by force soya for small girl picking for 10 years country people. It happened for New Bell day so as na fear talk about them for all this kind of issue and this palaver so. Can palaver can issue with to fear what the way they talk about them for the now so and so be so 18 things can happen for you so they catch go time for pre-catch for New Bell in Kolulun this so country people them 35 years person we chop soya by force for 10-year-old smoker because you say smoker don't get chest don't get Bobby turn up. A bunch we died apart this Awusa get the worker sell for lere and sell to Milky Kusam. So remember say this so the girl this now is skin to don't strong like a skin for say this if you receive that kind of thing. So all Kasahuma come go for the I say all Kasahuma come for the say una sin for we say make beat them kill them for this country people now so they shout for the all Kasahuma come on New Bella Awusa come for the na did it matter happen. Now they situation na the small girl picking that na the small girl picking that so where they show it for back so now where they force chop is so they come to people them who na situation that and a Torida will come back for the ask them for one person make it tell you what happen country people them they talk now for French una leave them when they finish talk I go translate una wait way this man don't talk country people na here first.
C'est cela plus d'une semaine, plus de 3 fois qu'il a violé cette fille. C'est hier qu'on a découvert la vérité. Parce que l'enfant était en train de chuchoter. Et elle était toujours un peu malade. Elle avait changé et la voisine nous a fait comprendre. La voisine est passée à la maison, nous fait comprendre qu'il faut qu'on contrôle cette fille. Plus de 3 fois, elle a aperçu la fille chez elle, chez un homme. Il faut qu'on essaye de voir. Nous sommes allés dans un district de Nobel. On a essayé de vérifier la fille. Il avait déjà couché avec la fille. Arrivé ici, on nous a conduits ici à Nobel, brigade de recherche de Nobel, à Kouloulou. Arrivé, le monsieur le commandant a observé, on a fait l'enquête et il a dit et redit, il a avoué qu'il a fait comme 3 fois successivement. Donc,
c'est qu'il dit, mais c'est
d'après
3 fois,
oui, mais on est.
On a here and contribute that woman, that Aja, that Dada Sari, the talk say, now 1 week this today. Whether man, Hamamisa, he don't sleep that small piggy for 10 years, 3 times. He talks say what he contribute to them. He say, they don't see the girl, oh, the girl they work as some kind, you know the straight at all. They carry go for hospital, for some center, medical center for New Bell. For them they say and say, a tool for them, he don't get hold. Say down bottom, don't get hold. So don't bring that man now for brigade, and the man now, you don't have for commandant say true, it don't make him 3 times already country. People now so the situation it happen for the country, man for the. We continue now talk with this other brave plateau for Yen. Say this will happen now for back Santu for CNPS for Bona Berry Day country people. Then where yesterday people they enter with a gun, they stand for front gate for Damutamko now. Knox the one see Tonton Kami way back in moto for they come out with moto for Adamutamko country. People after they come out they come they talk about Palaba for their papa and grand and all the matter for this week class this chiffre with Mosquitamko for the Bonaberry. Now you put them push gate, enter with gun, put gun for Madame Fifth. Tamko so country people them talk say this they go finish and I they take a telephone, take other telephone too for inside house they say they go finish and I if you know should break Kami they one kill he and Kami Tamko for this way if you follow can enter for inside that Damutamko house country people them. Now so they happen for the person pass back now. Vigil shout the woman for Damutamko go for back use telephone. Call them they come back. AC be there the police be there so pack up they put them take Tokyo run past Bim they don't find them so they say they were ready to call them and they say they surely come out Namakeya quarter for this country people in this chapter 2 now to fear quoi. We remain for Bonabe, they talk about that matter. I say, when I hear people, they cry. Palaba 2 picking where they don't die. For secret, say they find broom country people, them. When I hear small.
These 2 class.
This one country people, them, they talk about, and these 2 picking them. They 2 picking and die inside Poto and water. Poto water for that side for back. It says belong the map and the country people them. Poto water they for play with back. Says belong and say Carrefour Mama Jaka. They speaking the way you see their family, they cry, so all this one take place. Now for Sikaweti, they be there them 7. They go find bamboo for make broom. See the one come yesterday for show a call and see this now. Teacher for practicals for first school living certificate, alias certificate d'études primaires. When it happen for them, they say, yeah, 2 they fall inside the poto just go down. Then 5 they run come back for this country. People them take Tokyo come back even picking to them and say Francis Nibayancho. It should be run come back and Ngwayan should be run come back and talk to this. So any of the go university colleagues them for day. So as stated now they said they cry for this side for forever saying they speaking they run die or as to go for that level as get and so as they make we hear the cry again, I beg you. Yes, we can hear the cry again for years. This issue them for this country people them as situation they take place where they talk about of a chapter for this country people them. We talk about Elekam now. See this so now one of the champion for Pafia Dance. They don't start again for register candidate them or people the way they go to vote for this country. Election they come again, legislative and municipal election for vote mayor them and municipal council them and then deputy them. Let me say parliamentarian them country people them. Elekam don't start again for register people they be happen now yesterday in Nasiam. I said people don't come. Biometric card them, they don't start the taker. But they don't talk since Methuselah. Say they go for give the card they for people and contribute them. When it can happen now, it not be there at all. It not be there at all. As the thing can take place now, contribute them, be say they do all now, for some they give them for back, give them for put them, they give their voters card them for the plenty they come for Kantika. I say plenty they come for Kantika, but can buy little bit them. And then he said this issue when I hear they talk about them for see 80 can take place country, people them say this so 8 voters card they come now for that say they show them. Say naï or no be is naï. Then they show books say this to make it sign them for they with all their politicians until they can talk say this so true they don't start they receive their voters card them for this so country people them as we get them so can be so for inside this issue with all the palaver and the matter them for this country people them and that's what happen now when they do all they put down now short for this kind of issue and the palaver them talk to this so they receive their Catholic country people. They will go now for Ebolova. What happen for Ebolova? See Catholic Church for Ebolova. Then, if any ceremony, they baptism, Holy Communion, any kind of thing for inside church, photograph and no film, we never get batch and forget that batch at 2,000. Catholic Church define money. Ladies, look at photograph attention. Inside Catholic Church Cathedral for Ebolova Day, na do 0 position. They say they must get accreditation. You look at that. Na batch that way they get for them. Na Catholic Church they get for them. So and this cat they so na 2,000. If you not get them, sorry for you. If you not get them, you enter Catholic Church of film any event for this so country for them. Wonderful matter, wonderful palaver. They wanna get to talk about that inside all this issue. The way can take place, we explain them. See this to read on Baje sute for your country. People them can way and can situation how it can happen. So we see person will film. So whether now with private camera or private camera okay. But if one come for do the kind thing they call and see this so now for snap picture for see this so you don't get your market even with your telephone. Mbano na 2,000. If you don't get so the barrier you ho ha for this so contribute. Come now go that Bamenda again. Come back for that story. Say this so the man now they don't send it for waiting trial for that side for Bamenda upstation prison for the nights. It's tough. Any man explain now. I do this, I do that. Thief batch them for moto. I say thief batch them for moto. Thief gallon them for fuel. Can't anything them. Inside this on the cash they now go to police look at Northwest 1669. Now so situation happen for the wonderful matter, wonderful palaver them. I say oh boy, inside Bamenda they so thief be don't plenty past max. The police and take it now. Population too do all things for who can do how they fit do. Don't take them go to employ they supposed to do. Look up now gallon in that for fuel, thief are all. Battery for motor, thief are all. Can't other thing and so thief for the country people now. So the situation can't take to ask them for one person make it tell you now. Wait till really happen. Oh boy, when I wait to happen for Bamenda the way, comme c'est principal, some being the anti-Gusmi Emile when divisionnaire for the capture of 90s when I
woman, mama son a mechanic. So for mama son a garage, they over thief for day. All time they thief. It won't be last week they thief 4 battery for they will key starter for motor. So mama son just be in confusion. You know what I find you know if he get her. But today morning, he don't woke up for us for 5 o'clock morning time. He said no, make go for a garage, go check him. I see don't come on now. I see the come down for old church. I see one come down now for old church. It is see Bosco a taxiway back for old church. As he say, I'm see Bosco come out from the garage. He come up. As he come up, he can put something. He can he whole container put them for the back motor. He height. As he height now, as he put a air so petrol the inside. We don't drink petrol. As he height now, he come on now. Start follow the Bosco. Small. They go for a garage. He reach now. He want reach now for front the garage. He see Bosco for there. The losing battery for motor. He went Bosco don't losing the battery now. Carry the battery now. One go now. So all that petrol he don't carry inside so other container. As he had as a child, the Bosco now the container down with the battery now run. He call him and say Bosco, can you run? I don't see you. As he come now, he run now come now for Metaquata. Now can't take rapid. As he take rapid now, rapid they come on now come now for Old Church Junction. Carry show they take the motor now, come down now for Metaquata. Who come on now the rapid they say who go down for Bosco yes. Go look at what he did. The present moment who come on go down, we not see the Bosco for yes. Who stand for the front door. Once now he run now on top Okada. They come now say they don't see motor. As he talk now say they don't see motor now. If me turn now mama sa now we walk picking every day. Mama sa tell say who don't see ya motor. Now for them mama sa now start talk now. He say they never see ya motor. Come on again want take bike say the car. Mama sa say no. You need to go now place. Now rapid they go can't take you for here because rapid they be give you say well go see him who talk me they can't take you. They come now for here now they go they can't take rapid and now the rapid and now come on now can't take you now. If they for
Bosco na sense pasking Bosco. Hey. But why not say they happen no? And that's what the end of here. Talk seriously. Same story BB say nothing no fi ever make I the cry still blood come out. Nothing no fi ever make me I cry blood it come out contribute. This number is there for downstairs a number way this one so this number a number way we now call if something happen for na quarter for bamenda or for ngingwo for all side country people we dey call na for yes so with that number make we send our own intervention rapid can film am so we show am. Now if you call talk say one give sensory for the send na for SMS with your name under name for the beep say one verify number they gonna for call give story instead the matter so contribute them. John Johnny Peck be dey so contribute instead the issue them. We talk say you know sir beg thank you plenty. Thank you, Ginny Edmond. I mean, we'll receive plenty to read for that side. Yes. Francis Boyon be there for that side. Yes. They man to call and CVT, various each of the day. Country people they talk about them for all this issue and this palaver. So, Apple take care for logistics, so they contribute them. Answer this issue as you can hear talk about them. Alliance in the asset today for talk to this 6:30 this evening time na PC pitching you so Equinox television for internet. Yes. Me, I must talk. You know, so I beg a director for una for the. If you see my back, now you say my belly is there for front country people. Bye bye.